Welcome aboard System Test 306, requested by Aiden the Toilet Elevator Fire Alarm Fan. So let's go ahead and get started. For our first notification appliance, we have a Simplex 4903-9215, and this device will be doing march time. For our smoke detector, we have a Simplex 4098-9601 True Alarm Smoke Detector. For our second notification appliance, we have an Edwards 757-38T Integrity Horn Strobe. This device will be doing code 3 and is set on fixed 30 candela. He did request that this device be on march time. Unfortunately, I'm unable to do march time with this device. I tried a lot of different ways, but I was unable to, so I thought code 3 would be the best option, just to substitute for that. We still have the System Sensor CO1224T carbon monoxide detector. For our pull stations, we have two pull stations. On the left, we have an Edwards 270 SPO. And on the right, we have a Simplex 2099-9762 key operator only pull station. We still have the System Sensor RTS2 key test switch, and I will not be testing today. Connected to the test switch is a System Sensor D4120 duct detector. I will also not be testing that today. Before I begin today's test, I just want to make note of two things. Number one, there is a issue with the 2-wire detector. The smoke detector, it says that there is no resistor. I do have a resistor on that detector. I'm not exactly sure why it's still, having an issue. It does go into alarm when I do test it. So I'm not entirely sure what that is. Maybe there's like a loose wire or something. And the other trouble is that I don't have AC power for this test. I'm using batteries. I'm using a 4903-9215, which is not good with FWR power. Needs DC power, so I'm just going to use batteries for this test. Again, not to code, but again, this is just for a demonstration. A reminder that if you would like to submit your request system test, I'll put a link down in the description. There you will be able to find my request system test website page, which has the YouTube video, the fire alarm collection list, and the request system test form. And you can have the possibility of having your video featured on my channel. Alright, to start off today's test, I'm going to pull the Edwards 270 SPO. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. The alarm is silenced. For our next test today, I'm going to activate the smoke detector. Instead of using the smoke tester, I'm just going to use a magnet. So here we go. Might need it on this side. There we go. And the alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reset the pull stations. All I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my flathead screwdriver to the top. I'm going to turn the screw. Get it. There we go. Flip the switch down. Just reset the handle. Push it back into place. There we go. And now I'm going to go in the main farm control panel. And I'm going to hit system reset. Alright, to finish off today's test, I'm going to activate the Simplex key operator only pull station. So as far as this pull station goes, obviously it's not like a regular pull station that you just pull. You actually have to open it up with a key, with the Simplex B key. The reason for this is sometimes, you might be in a building where you don't want people pulling the alarm, or there's been issues where people have pulled the alarm and stoppers, or like an STI stopper is not working well enough. You install these pull stations, and every staff member of the building will have a key, and if there's a fire, you just open it up and it triggers the alarm. So here we go. We're going to activate it in 3, 2, 1. And the alarm is silenced. We technically don't have to do anything to reset this pull station because obviously it's already back in place and there's no like handle where we have to open it up and reset it. So we can just go in the mainframe control panel and hit system reset.